Hello everyone. Our project for Teachers Hack is Teach Using Tech. Before going into our project, let's see why we built this project. In today's era where there is online education all over, sometimes in some situations, teachers really have difficulties in conveying or teaching the complex materials to students. For example, when teachers are trying to explain the complex materials to students by using PDF files, PowerPoints, and Word files, they might have difficulties conveying the complex structures or complex informations. And students, on the other hand, also have difficulties in getting those information. So we bring to you Teach Using Tech, which is an interactive way of teaching and learning by using immersive VR experiences. And we have built this project using WebXR, and WebXR allows us to experience the immersive experiences within browser. So by using any device that supports WebXR, teachers can teach the students and teachers can teach the students in immersive experiences in the 3D space. And there's also a chat functionality which helps students to learn. So now let's proceed with the demo. For the development purpose, we have used Oculus Quest 2, but since we are using WebXR, the WebXR is available in general mobile phones as well that supports the WebXR. So for the demo purpose, I'm using the Oculus Quest 2. So now let's enter the VR. Hello everyone, this is our project Teach Using Tech. Now our teaching technology has totally completely changed. The teaching style has completely changed. There was a time when you used to be in class and teachers used to teach students in class. Nowadays, for almost everyone, it's online education. And we know the difficulties we have while teachers have while teaching in online, like when teachers try to um, convey a difficult concept via PDF files, Word files, and different kinds of things. It's very much difficult. That's why we have our project Teach Using Tech, which helps us teachers to teach in an interactive way. Basically, for now, the MVP of our project offers two ways to teach. The first one is Draw 3D, and the second one is Generate Shapes. If you go to Draw 3D, then we have this Enter VR option. Now the VR, now we are using WebXR for our project, and for this VR to be supported, the device need to support WebXR. For this recording purpose, I'm using my Oculus Quest device, and this is also the WebXR is also supported in the Android devices, most of the Android devices, and it is basically supported in the Chrome browser. So if we enter the VR, then I will have to wait a bit, and I can see my hands. So here's my hand. And what I can do now, or what a teacher can do in this project, is he can draw using his hand. So it becomes very much easier. Like this, I can write the MLH. Now, writing text might be very easy in the computer file as well, in the Word documents as well. But here we can do things which are really very difficult to do in 2D space. Like using this VR, we can draw anything we want. And not only that, not only we can draw anything we want, we can actually change the color. So if I would like this yellow color, if I would like this yellow color, I will just touch this yellow color with my left hand. And now I can draw anything yellow with this, with my right hand. So if I need something like red, and if I choose something like red, then using this red, I can now draw using this red. And I can draw anything I want. So if I need the blue one, I will choose the blue one. Okay, here I have chosen the blue one. And I can draw anything I want. So this might come very handy when teacher needs to explain to his students something very much conceptual, something that requires 3D kind of thing. Like it might be used for engineering purposes, or for something of medical purposes, or for teaching the very junior students the very basic kinds of things. So that was our first one. Here's our second one. Let's go back home page and go to generate shapes. Now if you go to generate shapes, we are some of the shapes here. For the current time, there are 4 shapes, and if I touch here in the box appears here. Now, box is very simple. Student can generally imagine a box. But if we have to imagine something as an octahedron, it's kind of difficult to portray an octahedron in a 2D space. Now, if we touch the octahedron here we can see an octahedron. Now, it might have been very much difficult to see this in 2D space, but using our WebXR and using our application, it can be visualized. Not only an octahedron, we can also visualize a tetrahedron. Now, visualizing tetrahedron might have been difficult as well, but teach using tech, teachers can teach students using this kind of technology, and it becomes very much easier for teachers to teach difficult and imaginative concepts to the students. And using our immersive experiences, the students will also have in learning these stuffs. Thank you. And adding to that, we also have the chat feature. So students can use the chat while in the class for chatting about different topics related to the study. Like this, we have built this using Twilio API.